Brushing your teeth is part of almost everybody's morning routine, and with Philips Sonicare FlexCare Platinum, you'll be assured of a superior clean in all areas, while at the same time protecting your gums and teeth. Here are some tips to get the most out of your brushing routine. First of all, put a dab of toothpaste on the brush the size of a pea. You can choose from 3 intensity levels before you start brushing to personalize your brushing routine. The new Deep Clean mode is the perfect mode to get rid of plaque in hard-to-reach areas. Used in combination with our most innovative brush head, it removes up to 10 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Now, slowly glide the brush head from tooth to tooth. The brush head contours to your teeth and gums and gently tracks along the gum line for a deep clean and healthier gums. Don't be afraid you press too hard. There's a pressure sensor in the toothbrush that alerts you when you brush too hard, which improves your brushing technique. Don't forget your back teeth, the tops of your teeth, and the insides, both upper and lower. With a velocity of 31,000 strokes per minute, this power toothbrush helps you to get your best results, even though your technique isn't perfect. Change your brush head every 3 months to keep the best results. Innovation and you. Philips.